Hey guys, we're back working on this Forester. It's a 2015 Forester. It's the same from 14 to 18. And a lot of you guys have been asking about how to clean the center console when kids are spilling coffee or something in it, and you really can't get in deep enough to clean any of it. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to take the center console apart and clean whatever mess you guys have made. These two guys right here, grab a flathead, and you could, they make these in plastic. I recommend using the plastic ones so you don't, mark up the interior pieces. But if you get in here on the sides and just give it a little bit of a, it's only held on by these guys. It literally just slides in and slides out. Oh. I'm gonna do the same for this side. I'm gonna put my flathead and use it to pry up. See what I do is I put this like right into here, and I pushed with it to pull it out, not to damage the pieces. You stick this underneath here, and I mean it's simple. It's just all, pull this out of the way. That's it. And you see all this gunk all around here? You can now get your towel and clean it. Then you can unplug these guys, and yeah, see, even this one's got a lot of, someone's spilled, whatever this is, someone's spilled something in here. And these are the seat warmers. You can unplug these guys, pull this out, take it, rinse this whole thing off, and bring it back and put it all back together. It literally just clips back in. And these guys, you can't get them left to right mixed up because they only go one way. Put these in and just pop them. Very simple. If you want to clean your coffee spilled mess you made, that's the easiest way to clean it.